The amazing drama you're about to see is a matter of human record. You may believe it or not.
Let the beat drop.
It's hammer time. So I got some abandoned M4 rack holders, and I was like, you know what? We're gonna give them a new purpose. To return them into some hammer rack holders. Time to measure and put all the data to the Shaper-Lab application. I also retrieved a decent amount of plywood out of the trash. I want to put them into gold. In this little exercise, we're going to cut some pockets with a decent offset. The offset is going to give you some wriggle room for the rack holders. That looks like a solid outcome. Personal note, it might be better to bend the front of the rack holders.